layer. So if I click on this wall, right, and you can see it here as wall, to shade it as you. Let's see after that here line of code core which to enter part of this core. It from here that interior start tracking. Similarly, you can interior as well. This way you can tracking different points. Each wall has multiple layers. Calling it height in most common 9 inches wall. So if you see here in this architectural wall, we don't have any 9 inches wall. We have 4 inches, 5, 6, 8. Okay. So let's see here. Let me go to 3D view, right? In this 3D, let me switch to realistic view. So that is the realistic image of this particular wall. Suppose you want to apply a different material to this. So you can apply using its edit type properties, right? So I'm going to create some more walls over here like this, right? Up to this point we have. So I have created a structure like this, right? Suppose in this 3D, its material is like this. If you want to change its material type, you can click on this button, go to its edit type, right? Here we have edit settings. Go to here edit, right? Here you can see the structure material. You need to click on these 3 dots here, right? Once you click here, it will take some time for loading. After that, it will show you the different type of material we have. So here you can see the ceiling tiles, right? Air infiltration barrier, aluminum type. There are various types of material. We have brick material as well. If you want to apply this common brick material, you can choose this, right? And here you can click on this use rendered appearance and apply. After that, you can press OK, right? And here, OK, one more time, right? Now you can move to your 3D view. In 3D view, you can see this. We had applied brick material to our walls. So its texturing will appear like this. Suppose you want to apply any other material to this particular wall. So you need to click on any of these, right? Once you select this, it will get highlighted in the properties palette. Again, you can go to the edit type, right? Here we have edit setting. Go again to its material. Here you can see some of the basic materials that we have in this project, right? You can apply this carpet material, right? Here copper material. We have multiple wooden material, door panel. So if you want to add or create a new type of material, we have setting for that as well. So if you click on this button, we have setting for create new material. So if I click on this point, right, let me change its name to, let's say, wall tiles, right? Wall tiles 1. So I have created a new material like this here, right? After that, you can click on this button. Currently, we are in this graphics part. Let's go to here. We have appearance, right? Here you can add your own type of image as well, or you can choose any color, right? If you want to apply any color, you can click here and choose any color. Suppose you want to apply tiles to your walls, so you can download any image and upload that. So here you can choose any image, click on this, right? Go to desktop. I have downloaded some of tile materials. So let's say I'm choosing this one, wall tiles 2 material, right? Or wall tile 1. After that, click open. So it will appear here, right? You can see it here. After that, you can go to graphics, change this as well, use rendered appearance, go to apply, OK. again apply, click on apply and OK one more time, and you can see the same material is applied to these walls, right? So in this way, you can apply different material to different walls. Clear? So you can go back to your 3D view, right? So in this way, you can create your walls, right? If you want to apply any texturing for these as well, right? In the level 1 plan view, again we have the same setting. Click on this, go to its edit type. Here we have chorus fill pattern. You can fill any pattern. Click on this button. So let's say I want diagonal cross hash pattern. Click here, right? Go back to apply. Okay, right? And change this setting to chorus, right? Zoom this, you will see the pattern that I have applied to these walls, right? So in this way, you can apply any pattern to your walls, right? Okay, if you want to add any walls in between, you can do like this as well, right? You can start from center point, create a wall like this, right? So here, if you see here, there is a misalignment between these two walls. So if you want to align these, right, here we have one command that is align. Click on this. I want to align this face and this one, right? So we can align like this. Similarly, if you see here, I need to align this and this, right? So in this way, we can align our walls, or we have here trim extend to corner setting. If you want to extend this wall, right, we can use this setting. Similarly, you can align again this and this as well. Clear? So in this way, we can create walls and align them accordingly.